But sorry, I'm in my other house, so the lighting, that's the only light here. Oh, I have a lamp. Yeah. Do something, maybe. Well, I also have a flashlight, so lucky for us. I just took that out and everything, ripped it out. Now I'm put this still. Yeah, I just basically gonna go under here. I already started a little bit. Under here and pry that up. That's like a battery acid or something on me. Oh shit. And let's do this. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying here. Bear with me. Bear with me here. Alright, so basically, all I'm doing is prying this up like this. Boom. Got this. Rip that out. Here. Checkerboard. I'll show you all the parts at the end. Now basically we have this left. I'm just gonna take out the battery with my tool. Oh, there it is. Alright, now here we go. Up, 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 boom. That's the battery. Not the most pleasant thing. I don't trust that. Alright, now basically we're left with the top circuit and this stuff. So I will show you now. We talk about that. We took that out. And the battery. Battery's pretty weird. Alright. Now, now basically done. But that screw right there was a pain in the neck. I'm just gonna rip out the tracing of this. I'm not trying to scavenge anything from this, so I just took this apart for fun. Alright, so now we're gonna do that part. Alright, so this. Here we go. Not want that to happen. Blasting on me. Nope. Maybe if I go forward. Yeah, it's a pillow bed. Look at that. Yeah, I have this in my house for some reason. I mean, I could do this really crappy bear house I made. Stand. Boom. Alright, so here we go. I'm basically just gonna pull this, I think. Let's get under it and just prying up. Oh, I see there's screws here. Under here. So let's just get this out. That's out. So no. Oh, there's one right here. Don't know. forget, let's pull that out. Boom, boom. I might keep the buttons. I mean, there's really no point keeping any of this. Might keep the speaker too. Hey YouTube, what is up? It's Dragon Slayer here, and oh fuck, that's my fuck. Why do I always do that? It's Nick here. Dragon Slayer is my gaming channel. Guys, go check me out, Dragon Slayer with 6 X's at the end of it, and Angel channel, Angel Games. I don't know why I keep saying that. I think I said it in the video I recorded before with you know, this video, toothbrush holder video. But yeah, so yeah, my phone didn't have enough storage at the time, but I finished taking everything apart, and this is what we came up with. Here, guys. Sorry you couldn't see me take it apart. Could have been boring, I don't know. But yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next episode. See ya.